It's a beautiful Saturday morning. I gotta buy a new battery for my four-wheeler. Seems like I gotta buy one every few years. Daggone it. And then in here, a few weeknights I've been working on something. What is that, you may ask? Well, that is legs to a coffee table. Pretty heavy legs. Anyway, the wood thing has kind of bit me, so I've been hanging out in my basement doing some of that stuff. Can't do this in the basement though. So I don't want to spend much time on the weekends doing that kind of stuff because I need to be doing that kind of stuff. So, but I do need to kind of finish that so I can get it out of my bench. And all I got to do is weld these in place. Once I make sure those are square, and then I've got to put, this is upside down. And then I've got to put some something on the bottom here so it'll stand up by itself and not gouge the floor, you know. Don't you know? So hopefully I can do that pretty quickly and then move on to something else. Also, I've got a project outside. My boss sometimes likes to do little projects, and he knows I can weld and whatnot, so I got a little project out there we got to do. Maybe I'll show you that after a while. I was digging around in the junk pile out back, and I found these. Which I think they're part of a handrail or something like that. I'm in construction, so at the end of the job, they're cleaning stuff up, throwing away. Sometimes I can pick up stuff like this, which is handy. That's where I got that metal. And those are sprockets off a 279 skid steer cat. Got them out of the junk pile, you know. Those pieces. Anyway, that's another story. I think what I'm going to do is use these for the bottom legs. I'm going to cut 22 inches out of that one and 22 inches out of that one. And throw this back in the scrap pile. Taking note that's good 3/8 thick. I don't know, that might be 3-inch strap. You know, it'd be good for something like a fender mount or something like that. Oh, it's 2.5. Throttle bracket. Alright, at this time I'm going to call it done. Let me see if I can carry it out by myself. It's pretty heavy. Stuff on the workbench. I guess I'm going to clean that off. Here, let me show you. Let me show you what it looks like outside. What do you think about that? Does that make a cool end table stand? I think it will. I think it will. Yeah, a coffee table. I got my terms mixed up. I don't know nothing about house things. I just don't know nothing about it. I know about this stuff a little bit though. Alright, here's the project of the day, and we used to call her Little Miss. Maybe we still do. Is going to help me do it. Because she's hurting for some cash. Look at her go. I was using that saw right there, and I used it quite a lot, and then all of a sudden it dawned on me, I bet you them bolt cutters would work better. And accuse me of being parental, but I really didn't want her running that saw.
Considering what happened to your leg.
We're not discussing that. Alright, one of the diamonds come off and poked a hole in my new coveralls. How about that, huh? Anyways, that's that. getting all her muscles in the workout. What do you think about those wheels?
A big heck no.
What do you say, Harley? You like the wheels?
Heck no.
He just wants to eat my glove. That's all he wants to do. What are you looking at? Well, we just ran out of welding gas. But you know what homie don't do?
Play around.
That's right, I got another tank. What'd you say homie don't do?
You got it, I don't know.
What does he said homie don't do?
Play around.
I don't know if I got any more wire or not. Guess what homie don't do?
Play around.
That's right. He said what? Wonder how many people will comment that I didn't have that on there when I was feeding the wire. Alright, I think we're done with these things. If I didn't explain what they are, they're this end you push in the dirt and then you put it beside your mater plant or whatever, and then they grow up on them. Your string beans. You know, speaking of string beans, look at her all bundled up. Let's do a temperature check, shall we? 46 degrees.
My nose is about to start dripping.
She had a tooth pulled and they say you can't blow your nose. So she has to wipe it. What's a hee-haw? There we go. Alright, we did 16 of them things. In how many hours?
I have no clue. I don't even know what time it is.
It's like 7 hours, I think, total. Which is quite an endeavor, cutting every one of them things. Welding them all. You know, we still need to go through the grinder and make sure ain't no sharp spots. But we're going to save that for tomorrow. Got something else to do.
Glory belongs to the past, and the past something. Oh no!
I had fun today. I really did. Even though she's broke. And I'm broke now and she's rich.